Try this. Prepare a sharbat, prepare a bhed. Did the taste of the original ingredients change due to the above processes? A mixture is formed by mixing different elements or compounds. The proportion of various components in a mixture is not fixed. No chemical change takes place during the formation of mixtures and no new substance is formed. Can you tell what are the mixtures used in everyday life? Answer: we use many mixtures in our everyday life like articles made up of steel, brass, duraluminum, bronze, etc. Similarly, we use various other mixtures like sharbat, chuda, etc. Are all mixtures useful to us? Answer: no. All mixtures are not useful to us. How will you separate each component from a mixture of semolina, salt and iron fillings? Answer: first we can separate the iron fillings from the mixture using a magnet. Now to the remaining mixture of semolina and salt should be added to water. The salt will dissolve in water, leaving behind semolina. You might remember that mixing unwanted substances in any foodstuff is called adulteration. In other words, an adulterated foodstuff is also a kind of mixture. When an unwanted and harmful substance is mixed with another substance, the resulting mixture no longer remains useful. In such cases, we separate the unwanted ingredients from the mixture. For this purpose, simple and easy methods such as straining, that is filtering, sifting, picking, sorting, winnowing, combing with a magnet and sublimation are used. Which ingredients from which mixtures could be separated by using these methods? We have learnt about the properties of matter and the effects of heat. These properties are also used for separating the components of a mixture. Observe and discuss. Here we can see various methods of separating mixtures in our day-to-day life, like winnowing, picking, sifting, filtering, churning. Now we will see method of distillation. In this method, take some salt water in a round bottom flask. Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Start heating the liquid in the flask placed on the wire gauge. Observe the conical flask. Slowly droplets of water start falling into it. Where did these drops come from? The salt water in the round bottom flask boils on heating. The vapor in it vaporizes. When the vapor passes through the inclined tube, it gets cooled due to the surrounding cold water and condenses to form water. Thus, the drops falling into the conical flask are of the water from the salt solution in the round bottom flask. Salt remains behind at the bottom of the round bottom flask when all the water has collected in the conical flask. This method is called distillation. Distillation is also used for purification of impure liquids. Is the water that falls from clouds naturally pure? Answer: yes, the water that falls from cloud is naturally pure. Which properties of a liquid are seen in the distillation method? Answer: in distillation method, we can observe that when a liquid is heated, it vaporizes, but when the vapors are cooled, it condenses to liquid again. Hence, the distillation method can be used for purification of impure liquids. For what purposes is distilled water used? Answer. Distilled water is commonly used in acid batteries of cars and trucks.